Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibrations section. Here you get the ringtone notification volume panel. Just to mute your ringtone, swipe this blue dot to the left side. But by this way you will mute not only your ringtones but also a notification volume. And if you don't want to do that, I'll show you another way. You should just go here to the phone ringtone section. For example, if you get just only one SIM card, tap here to the phone ringtone and switch your ringtone to the noun, and then just tap here to OK. And by this way you can just mute your ringtones, so you will have now just no set ringtone sound. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.